Good morning everyone. Now since you all know the great news that I'm pregnant and I'm on my week 33, we have now decided to give a makeover to one of our rooms to change it into a baby nursery. I'm going to show you which room I'm talking about. You must have seen it in my home tour video. And since you also know the gender, the color was not really going with what we have is gonna be a baby boy. So we decided to change this whole room into something more sophisticated and something more symmetrical. So let me show you guys around what the room looks like now, and later on what we are just going to change it. This is just going to be the part 1 where we are only going to paint the room, precisely Jagraj to be honest, and I will just probably give a little bit touch of my magical hands. But other than that, yes. Okay, let me show you guys the room first. Hang on. So this one is the room that Jagraj has been using for his office work. There is his table. We are going to be moving it out shortly and probably keeping it in the other room, or maybe I'll just keep it here. And this is the room right now. It has these floral and these little decals on the walls, and it's like purple pinkish in color, and the other two walls are white. It has a little closet here. So now what we have decided is we are going to be painting the whole room into one symmetrical color. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. We already bought the colors and the rollers and the painting brush last weekend, and this weekend this was our plan that we are going to be painting this room. So we are really excited. Making a separate nursery for the baby, because this is of course a rental place, and we really have not very long terms of living in the same house. But then I thought, okay, I might just give it a try. I haven't thought of like painting different colors on the walls, but rather what I have thought is to paint it with something that's very sophisticated, just the same plain simple white color. But then I will be going to put some decal on the walls, because there's a theme in my mind which I have thought for the nursery that I'll show you in the next video. I actually want to see कि ये जो floor पे सारा white paint है, अगर if I can actually remove it with the use of a nail paint remover, like a dissolvent. Let's see. So pretty much the whole room is done, and it looks nice. I mean, so this was the first part wherein you saw the color change of the rooms. The second part will include, designing the whole nursery and decorating it using some decal wall stickers and then paintings and other stuff like that. So stay tuned for the second part, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.